Looking for a highly equipped SUV with superior functionality and every luxury option you could possibly imagine? Take a look at this certified, pre-owned 2019 Dodge Durango RT Blacktop Edition in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With LED daytime running headlamps, premium LED fog lamps, performance hood, 20-inch high-gloss black aluminum wheels, dual rear exhaust with bright tip, Class 5 receiver hitch, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, park view rear backup camera, 3-zone automatic temp control, sport mode, heated second row seats, tungsten interior accent stitching, rear load leveling suspension, power liftgate, 5.7-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5467.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.